Today on the OMI Show, Kool-aid Sherbet. It's the OMI Show!
Hi, I'm OMI. Welcome back to the OMI Show. It's starting to get hot outside, so let's make a frozen treat to beat the heat. But first, let me put on my apron. Okay, that's better.
You will need a dish, 3 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar, a Kool-Aid packet, and a whisk or spoon. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Pour the sugar in the milk and mix. Step 2. Pour the Kool-Aid packet, then mix it. Step 3. When everything is mixed together, put it in the dish. Step 4. Put the dish in the freezer for 1.5 to 2 hours. Did you know? Water and food freeze differently. Each food will freeze differently based on the amount of water, sugar, and air they contain. The faster the food freezes, the smaller the crystals that form are. Okay, now do you know? Let's get back to the recipe. Step 5. After it's slightly frozen, mix it and serve.
Okay, now for the best part, the taste test. Tastes delicious. I can't stop eating it. I hope you have fun making this recipe. Kool-aid had a lot of flavor, so you can get creative. If you like this video, click that like button. If you haven't subscribed, do that too. If you make it, tag me on Instagram. See you in the next video. Bye!